Hi everybody, welcome back to another Importing from China video training. My name is Alex, and one common question we get a lot is, what are the hot products to import? And this is one of the most common questions, and really I want to give you a couple of quick suggestions on some hot products that you can import right now, but more importantly, where you go about finding hot products. There's a couple of quick ways, all right? The first way is use sites like eBay. And on eBay, the great thing about it is you can actually find out whether or not a product is being sold, because that's the most important thing, right? It's not importing a particular product, it's making sure that you can sell that particular product. So that's why it's very important, and using sites like eBay to find out whether or not it's being sold, how many volumes or units are being sold, and what's the average sale price. Because you can actually use eBay and sites like Amazon, Google, like Amazon.com and Google Shopping to find out what the average margins are for a particular product. All right. So first of all, what are the products that you can import? A couple of quick suggestions: import things that have high margins. You do not want to be importing small things like USB sticks or little pens, right? The margins are too small. If you are going to jump on the import game, which is a very lucrative business, by the way, just make sure that whatever you import does have quite high margins. If it doesn't have a high margin, then I would probably not suggest going after it, especially if this is your first import. All right. The second thing I'd probably mention is it marketable? Is it easily marketable, and can it be marketed cheaply? See, the biggest problem that a lot of importers tend to gloss over is how do they go about selling their goods once they've imported it into their particular country. So do make sure that you can sell your item or your product as soon as it lands in your country. You do not want it to be stored in some sort of warehouse or storage facility or your garage and just collect dust. All right, so what are some hot products and what's some hot industries to jump onto? The tech industry, technology is always good. Accessories to massive high-tech items like the iPads, iPhones, Samsungs, they're constantly being updated and constantly require new accessories. Now, obviously, you can't import the iPads because you need obviously a license, a distributor license for that, but you can import the accessories, which is a good thing. All right, a couple other things you can import when it comes down to health. Health and fitness is big, and it always will be big. It's like the weight loss industry as well. Things relating to that is quite a recommendable industry. But one thing I should say is, over the last probably 3 to 4 years, I've compiled a document that contains pretty much a lot of the import-export industries, like the hottest products you can import right now. We have a book this thick that contains about 170 products you can import right now. And this is something we offer our mentorship clients. But if you are interested, do contact us, or we can basically, tell you what this book is about. But you do want to make sure that your first import is a profitable import, because the import-export industry, it's very profitable, but do make sure that you have a good experience from the get-go. All right. So my name is Alex. I'll talk to you real soon.